Look how she's sitting. Onto truck height. It's gonna change today. Alright guys, so it's been a minute, man. How you guys been? Today we're finally installing some coilovers on this car. I've had them sitting around for like a year and a half. It's like the beginning of the virus or something like that. And I'm excited. I got some other goodies coming in the mail soon, so expect more videos coming out. But as far as that goes, we're here at the shop. It's called Chewerks. I was recommended to me by one of my close friends over where I work right now. And yeah, man, he said he does good work, so let's see how this gets done. I've never done this myself. I've never seen anyone do it. I know you can do it off of YouTube videos and stuff, but I also needed an alignment, so I just decided to do the 2-in-1. Let's see how this goes. I'll show you guys the finished product, and then I'll go into a little bit more detail about it, exactly what I got on them. And yeah, man, let's get this. All right, guys, it's the next day. These are the coilovers we're about to install. Brand new, straight from the factory. Fuck's a battery drink. Just plain. So finally got them installed. Like I said, we didn't record much about it, but sitting on some extreme low BC coilovers on 10K Swift springs. So you can see these barely right there, and it is riding like a dream now. And the guy said I did it at a good time, because supposedly one of the stock coilovers that it came with was already blown. And we're gonna get a little bit of test drive footage right now from the homie, so you could have a little feel of how it feels with the coilovers installed. We're also gonna be installing this little pulley cover and stuff. Just got that in the mail the other day. Not much else has changed since any of our last videos, besides I removed the noise tube that took up a lot of space in through here with just this little tube, this inlet tube or whatever. On top of that, I got a Grimspeed performance air filter, but I have something to take care of that soon, so pretty much a waste of money. If anyone wants to take it off my hands, hit me up. Other than that, man, it's just sitting pretty. Lowered it about an inch. Well, they still have to settle. Let's get this little install out of the way first, and then we'll get some driving footage. This is normally a one-person job. I know, I'm fucking famous for this shit, but I'm just trying to get this shit over with quick. Like I said.
I'm an idiot for fucking wearing tights.
Really, the most simple shit we're getting fucking dirty.
Because I just put my hand on like that.
Alright, I think that
should be it.
That's it. Just adjust up the engine bay, I guess. Hey, yo, let me get a ride.
Sir, you mind if I move your shoe?
Yeah, go for it.
Fucking, I was backing up over your foot with the clutch. I was like, fuck, it's just fucking different.
Safety first. Click it or ticket.
Click it or ticket.
Get the POV.
can't really feel anything, bro. It's just freaking hella smooth.
Getting too cold now.
Too cold.
I am. When I picked it up from the shop, man, I was like, damn, you notice the difference right away.
Yeah, dude, hell yeah, dude. It's smoother. Like the drive is smoother. It's not much bumpiness.
Hey, you feel that more when you go on like a bump or something.
Yeah.
So G37. Oh, two of them.
Yeah, big ass spoiler.
Feels good though, huh?
Yeah. Nice. I want them all.
This guy. Hey, we're driving here, man.
Breaking necks.
Bro, huh?
Breaking necks is a FRS, soon to be slammed.
Maybe. I'm scared. I'm scared, dude. I don't know if I'm ready to commit to that lifestyle.
I'll do my car's never lower and I'm freaking scraping everywhere, breaking your bumpers.
Oh, set off a little alarm. The guy at the shop scared me. That he told me that he's like, "Are you sure you want to go get a exhaust system? 'Cause it's already loud, man." I was like, "I don't know, man. I don't feel it loud, but I think it sounds different when you're not in the car and someone else is driving it and you hear them." You just park it in the driveway. So that was the test drive right there. What do you think?
Honestly, it feels way better than how I was feeling before. Now when you're driving, it's more smooth. It's like you're driving on clouds, man. Or like freshly paved cement. It's like just smooth.
No bumps or anything else?
The bumps, you don't feel them. The only ones you'll feel are like the really big ones, but other than that, it's a freaking nice coilovers, nice setup.
And it's cool that I can adjust it, so if let's say I didn't like the way it was riding right now, I can always make it a softer ride or more stiff depending on what I'm doing and stuff. But they did a good job with the install. Shout out to, I believe the company or the shop is called Chewerks. I'll go ahead and put their information down below. They do they specify mainly in like JDM type of cars and even American Muscle, but they do suspension work. So I was referred over to them and fucking happy I did it, man. I'm happy I finally pulled the trigger.
Yeah. And then I mean, stay tuned, because in the future you might be seeing a second FRS. Might be getting rid of the G.
Car review.
Maybe we don't know. It could be the Toyota 86. It could be maybe a Supra.
Oh shit! Goddamn.
Nah, but if anything, I'm kind of leaning more towards the FRS, BRZ. I just really like the style of the car. The main part is that you don't have to do that much to the car to make it look nice. As it is stock, it looks beautiful.
And that's it, man. You guys have to stay tuned to see what actually goes down, what he ends up getting, if he ends up making some type of move. And stay tuned, because we got a lot of goodies coming in the mail for the FRS soon. And yeah, man, I know it's been a while. We got busy, had a couple job changes and stuff like that. Had to get settled in and save up some money, because this shit ain't cheap. But no, guys, so stay tuned. I hope you guys are doing good and have a cold one. Take care. Peace.